In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link tables in Airtable. This process is essential for anyone looking to create meaningful connections between related information across multiple tables. For instance, you might have a projects table that you want to link with a clients table, so each project is associated with the correct client. Let's explore each step to see how it works. To begin, we're going to click on the plus sign in your Airtable interface. This plus button is crucial as it opens up the window for us to link to another record. Look for it near where you manage your columns and data entries. If you're new to Airtable, the interface can seem a bit complex, but don't worry, it gets easier with practice. Once you've clicked the plus sign, the next step is to select Link to another record. This option is what allows you to create that connection between two tables. Remember, linking tables in Airtable is like creating a bridge. It ensures that both sets of data communicate and share relevant information with one another. By doing this, you're not just organizing data, you are connecting it in a way that enhances data comprehension and usability. After that, you're going to click on Table. At this point, you'll need to decide which table you want to link your initial table to. It's essential to choose the table that contains the related information you need. So, if you're in the projects table and want to link it to clients, make sure you're selecting the table where your client information is stored. Now, it's time to click Create. This step conveniently sets up the new linkage column in your table. This column will show the connections you've made to the other table. When you're building comprehensive databases, these visible links are indispensable for easy navigation and effective project management. Next, you'll select the particular records you want to link. This is where you decide which specific items from one table relate to items in another. For instance, you might link a specific project to a particular client, ensuring that anyone reviewing the table can follow these logical connections with ease. Finally, click Add Field. This step is crucial to finalize and save your settings. By adding this new field, you're completing the setup so that your tables remain effectively linked. Each link reinforces the overall structure, making your system more robust and user-friendly. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully linked tables in Airtable, empowering you to work smarter by utilizing connected data. This method not only simplifies data management, but also enhances the ability to analyze information across various datasets. I hope this guide makes your Airtable experience smoother and more productive. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to check out other tutorials or dive into Airtable support resources for more help.